YouTube was popping, man. Hey, you know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell ring, man. And hey, man, don't forget to like that video. Yes, sir. Hey, guys, today you already can see by the thumbnail and the title, man. I got me a good upgrade to make to the car. Something quick, something slight. Add me, I don't know if it's gonna really gain me horsepower or gain me much, torque or anything, but it said it's guaranteed to, so let's see. Yes, sir. We got that K&N high flow air filter, man. This thing was pretty cheap, man. I got it from AutoZone, 50 bucks. Came soared a little bit. They gave me a little discount. So this is the filter right here. I'm hoping it make my supercharger a little louder. It should make it louder. It should make everything flow better. So I'm gonna pop this in. Oh, another tip for you guys. When you take out this old one, these dogs out here killing my vibe. So when you take out your old one, make sure you keep it though, because that way this one is reusable. So when it comes time to wash it and oil it back up, you can drop the old one in there, drive around while the new one's drying. Just a quick tip for you guys. So I'm gonna open this thing up and then I'm gonna start popping out the screws. I'm gonna try to set my tripod up so you guys can see me like working here, and then we'll see what it can do, man. Take it for a little quick test drive, see how it sounds. You already know what a stock Hellcat sound like, so we'll see what it sounds like with this K&N air filter on it. All right, guys, we'll be back in a second. All right, guys, let's get it, man. I got the only Phillips screwdriver I can find. Hopefully this thing saves some miles per gallon. Give me a sec. Let me see something real quick. Said it's designed to increase the horsepower and all of that. But what about the fuel economy? Because right now I get about, on the highway, I get about 26, 27 miles per gallon. So if I can get up to 30 on the Hellcat, I'm in the game. Let's get to it, guys. You already know. About to get the flathead. Pause it. All right, guys. Pulled a rookie mistake, man. Thought I was recording this whole time. I was taking it apart, but apparently I wasn't recording. But anyway, so I took it out to see what kind of filter I had in there because I haven't taken it apart since I got it. But check this thing out, man. This thing is horrible, man. Whoever had this car before me straight up just didn't care. So we're here to take care of it now. I take care of all my cars maintenance-wise, so I did slip up and I didn't end up checking the air filter before I went on my trip. Only because it had the screws and everything, and I ain't had time to actually check it. But this is the new filter, man. Brand new. We're gonna drop it in. I'm gonna clean up around the area because the area is very dirty too. But check this thing out, man. This thing is horrible. So I'm gonna keep this one as well. Like I was telling y'all earlier, make sure you keep the old one so that way when I wanna clean this one, I can just put this one in and then ride around with this one in for a while this one is drying. Or vice versa, I can swap these out since I know these pretty much the same filters. So I'm gonna clean this one up real good with I'm probably use I don't know. I'm gonna see what they recommend to clean it with. And then I'm gonna get some oil for it. And then boom, I got this new one in. But while I have it off, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, man. I'm gonna get some brake cleaner and go ahead and probably put a rag down there to catch all the gunk. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, man, because it's pretty dirty. So this should give this should make my AC a lot colder. It should make my horsepower gains a lot more, because this thing was pretty much like clogged up, man. This thing is horrible. So yeah, man. Yep, I messed up, man. I should have checked this thing a long time ago, because look at this. Completely just black, boy. So I'm gonna clean this thing up with some brake cleaner. Give me a sec. All right, guys, got my rag. This is my rag to drop in there. It's my rag to clean. It's the brake cleaner. Drop this in there to catch all the dirt and grime, because I don't want it getting in my engine bay. See what in here look like. Inside of here, clean. Inside of here, real clean. it out of there. Get it out of there. Clean that thing up. All them deposits and stuff. I kind of wonder why my air was smelling a little weird, man. If this thing had clamps on it, I would have been snapped it off. But since I had the screws in it and my screwdriver and everything is inside the house, I haven't took it off yet. But that's all on me. It's all good. You live and you learn. Not gonna beat myself up about it too much. I mean, I did buy me a K&N air filter, not knowing that I had one. So yeah, man. Just clean this thing out real good. Make it look like a brand new box. Because when your car clean, it run better. I don't know if y'all noticed that. But like after you wash your car, man, that thing rides so much better. Maybe it's just me, but that thing ride a whole lot better after my car is washed. Like right now, it's kind of clean. Man, that thing rides smooth. But when it's dirty, it ride a little bumpier for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's all in my head. Could be all in my head. Hopefully my neighbors don't think I'm talking to myself. But if they do, cool. So one more time. Bring y'all with me along on this journey. I remember how I looked at first. This thing clean now. Got that rag down there to catch all that stuff. Oh yeah, it's clean now. It is clean now. Cool. Drop that bad boy in there. Look a whole lot better than this crap. Jesus. Man, this thing is crazy. How dirty it got. Oh, and I pulled a rookie mistake. I dropped the screw. So now I gotta go get my magnet and pull this out. Pull the screw out. But that's the end of this little clip, guys. I'm gonna try to take you guys on the ride along so you can see what it sounds like. Hopefully, I think the supercharger is gonna be a lot louder now, especially with that thing not clogged up. I should be able to hear the whine a lot more now. So let's see what we got. See what we got.